Hey, what's going on? I'm Sam. Welcome back to Light Eye, where we empower light ideas. Do you know what biophilic design is? Let's go check out Softform Lighting and see how they can help you achieve it. These guys make big light fixtures, and they use fabric as their primary lens material. But what's cool is they deliver light as a biophilic design element. What is biophilia anyway? Well, according to Wikipedia, it's our innate tendency to seek connections with nature and other forms of life. Or in other words, it's our connection to the outdoors. And biophilic design is bringing those elements of nature into building and system design. But wait, there's more. Take the 3-30-300 concept. $3 a square foot for the cost of the building energy, $30 a square foot for the cost of the building lease, and $300 a square foot for the cost of the occupants in the space. Historically, design is focused on achieving energy metrics and hitting that $3 per square foot number. But the 3-30-300 concept suggests that we might focus our attention on the occupants when designing. Softform lighting focuses on 4 of the 14 biophilic elements. The first is ambient diffuse. This fabric provides that nice ambient quality of light, similar to what you would experience sitting underneath a tree on a hot summer day. The second is the connection to the outdoors. Science says we feel the same looking at an image of a landscape as compared to viewing it firsthand. Softform has the ability to print any image on fabric, bringing the outdoors inside. The third element is the repetitive biomorphic forms in nature, or something like sand dunes, or maybe a simple pattern like this, printed on the fabric. Last but not least, the fourth element, refuge. To offset the noise and the busyness in an open office space, this fabric has an NRC of 0.25. Are you looking to achieve a well building certification? Softform's ambient diffuse light can help you achieve the required MELANOPIC lux at eye level for circadian stimulus. So science says we're healthier when we're outdoors. And if we're healthier, we're happier, which theoretically means we should be more productive. Lucky for you and for me, Softform Lighting gives us the tools to put human-centric biophilic design into space with their unique fabric-based lighting solutions. If you want to learn more, click the link in the comments section below, or give your local rep a call. If you like what you saw and you want to learn more about lighting, do me a favor, click that button right there and subscribe to our channel, and I'll send you my next light idea. Until then, stay caffeinated and don't forget about biophilic design. See ya! Pretty cool, huh?